Hello friends, a best complimentary wishes from Kesaria Textile Company, Surat, Gujarat. I, on behalf of the company and the family members of the Kesaria, welcome you all and wishing you of the best of season this year. I know I'm meeting you all after a very long time, but then I'm here. Now, please follow this video to the end. You will definitely gain a couple of good ideas that as to how will you increase your sales this season. Okay? Now, to begin with, take out a note and a pen. Start noting down whatever I am saying. I'll be very brief, but promise me you will be in touch with the video, you will be seeing this video to the end. To begin with, after the compliments I have given you as to how to succeed in this hot season, all you have to do is note down. First of all, you have to do is please maintain the customer's database. Never ever see that customer passes away the way he came and the way he went out. Whether he purchases from your showroom or not, that is not very important. Whoever purchases from you, you have noted his name and number. No, don't do that. Whoever enters your showroom, as a compliment that people are watching your showroom, they have entered. If they purchase it or not, that is secondary. But once they have entered, note down their mobile number and their name with the address if possible. And in coming season, keep on reminding them, keep on telling them that we have, you phone them, you contact them on the computer, your email, and just start informing them that such and such new varieties we have brought it from all the way from Surat, Kesaria Textile Company, and we will be offering you a good quality cloth at a very reasonable price. So, first point is maintain the database of the customers. Second comes, keep a dog watch on your competitors. What they are doing, how they are doing it, what material they are stocking, and what materials they have brought from where. Keep a very detective sort of views on them. Just watch them, what they are doing and what they should be doing it. Just follow what they are doing. What is the graph of their sale? How are they selling? What discount they are giving? That way. Keep a track on them. Now, third comes, when you are riding the hot season of the season, always see to it that you do something new daily. Display variations, fragrance of the essence stick or the spray, new, daily fragrant. Ask your staff member to look fresh and effective and very aggressive. These are all. Do something new daily, new schemes, just new music, new sort of atmosphere, daily in your showrooms, lighting arrangements, everything. Do something new daily. When you give the jingle on the radio or on the television screen, do something new which nobody has done till date. Next comes, always see to it that you are working, you are performing. Maybe you have you had a hope that today you will be selling in lakhs of rupees. Unfortunately, today you have sold the fabric only worth rupees, say 50,000, 25,000. Don't be depressed by the figure. How smaller it may be, but it's a gain, is it? Tell me yes or no. Yes, it's a gain. So enjoy that small gain. Don't worry about something you expected and you did not do it. No, be very lesser ambitious regarding it. Be satisfied, be content with what you have achieved. Enjoy those gains, smaller or big, anything. Next comes very important in today's industry, whether it's an automobile, whether it's hardware, whether it's clothing, what matters is after sales service. Always be very good in after sales service. Say you have a policy of goods return, say you have a policy that whatever damaged clothes you have taken, we will take it back. Those sort of after sales services. Once the sales is accomplished, don't forget the customer. Keep them in your mind, keep them in your heart so that you can make a place in their heart. The next point is be very polite and create harmonious relations with the customers. You are selling the fabric. The customer is in your counter and asking for good sari design patterns and everything, etc., etc., etc. All of a sudden, that madam receives a mobile phone, and she starts speaking to the counterman. All of a sudden, you hear something that somebody is ill or sick at his home. Grab that opportunity. The moment phone ends, ask her, who is not well in your home? What has happened? Why? We are here to help you out. We are all one family members. Be that way. Create a harmonious relation with the customers. This will give you personal touch, and you will be having a very harmonious sale too. Last but not the least, I'll give you one good last final. Try to win the trust of the customers. See, we have got these saris, we have got this product for display and sell it to you. That does not mean only Kesaria has these saris, only Kesaria is the pioneer and only Kesaria has this varieties and quality. No, sorry. Market is full of traders and manufacturers and wholesalers. They may be selling it all across the globe. Then why you should purchase from Kesaria? Why? Why are you always coming to Kesaria after every 15 days and purchasing the material of lakhs rupees? Why? Only simple because of one reason, and that is you trust us. You have a trust that Kesaria will not cheat us, there will be no fraud, the quality of the fabric will be good, prices will be reliable. This is the faith we have gained from you, and that is our assets. Yes. So, we want, on behalf of the Kesaria family, I request you that Kesaria Parivar wants you to create such trust in your retail customers. They should feel it, ki yes, XYZ will give us the best. We need not worry. If we are not happy with the product, if we go to their showroom or to their house after midnight, they will definitely see to it they attend to us. So that is the trust you have to gain. Friends, this new season, please follow whatever points I have told you, and I promise you that you will definitely gain. Wait a minute, I am standing amongst the best Banarasi silk saris. We have allotted 2 different departments for this silk saris. The place where I am sitting or standing or delivering and speaking to you, talking to you, dears, here saris start from 750 rupees and go up to 3000 rupees. And on my right hand, I have got a second silk department where saris starts for just 250, 300 rupees and they go up to 700 rupees. Yes friends, this is Kesariya. Whatever we commit, we deliver. Because we have won the trust of yours, the way I said in the videos. Anyway friends, thank you for staying back to the end of this video. I anticipate, I expect you will definitely take the bottom line and learn something from this video. Please place your comments on this video. We will definitely support you. Till then, I take you leave. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।